Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be setting up the balcony. We got a lot of stuff going on. So we have 2 chairs and a table that we got from IKEA. I'm gonna try to put like the price and the picture on the screen. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have going on outside. So we got my feet, my shoes that also says Coco. How cool. So I have 9 pieces per pack of these Brunnen things. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I bought a total of 4 packs of these. I only need like 3 packs and a half, but yeah. And I also have these white stones. I got these from a home center. They were really cheap. They were like about $5 per pack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in this little section right here because they're not gonna fit. I have 2 more over there, so let's go. This is really bright. I hope it looks fine. I hope I look fine. You can do the design or layout however you like, and right here I'm just showing y'all that this is one design that y'all can do, but just be mindful that there's a certain way to attach them. Right here y'all can even see me getting a little confused or whatever, but after a while you get the hang of it. So this is the design that me and my husband agreed on. Okay, I'm gonna try to teach you guys how to put this together in a couple seconds. So these thingies over here interlock with these thingies down here. So this is the incorrect way and this is the correct way. And when you're done, you can cut off whatever is sticking out on the sides. So once you made your layout, you cannot snap these babies in place by hand, so you're gonna have to walk on them. It's quite satisfying though. that's basically it. It was super duper easy to put together. I can't wait to use the balcony. It's still freaking cold, and yes, I'm annoyed. I am a tropical girl. I'm a summer all year long girl. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do out here on the balcony, but we gonna do something. We gonna chill. We gonna do something. Stay tuned for more videos. Keep recommending those videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.